One of the many uses of the coconut. You husk it here on the steak once they're dry, and then you come and bao new, means you scrape the coconut, and that'll be done in a minute. Our little cooking hut when it's raining. Come back here and enjoy. Gonna get the fire going. It's already, the haka started, prepping for tonight's dinner and for our uncle's birthday dinner. That's where I was putting the coconuts the other day when I was cleaning up the pig area, the pig pens. So nephew here is going to get ready to split that coconut and show you what it takes to get coconut milk here in Tonga. That's my niece. Everybody's busy. Uncle's making a box over here, getting it prepared for my nephew start school. So he needs a school locker. So we're reinforcing this one so that way the youngsters don't go through his stuff. But in the meanwhile, another beautiful day in the island of Tonga. And thank you, viewers. I'm getting there, almost my 1,000 views. Thank you, Ofavanisi Loco, for the top off and helping with video gigabytes so I can continue producing videos for you guys. And just the well wishings. When I went to Yummy Treats, a young man over there, I asked him what he would eat, and next thing I know, I went to go purchase my sandwich and he purchased it for me. Thus I say, a free meal always tastes better. And it sure was a good barbecue chicken sandwich with cheese, and I enjoyed it, and I'm thankful to him. I believe his name was Sifa, and he introduced me to his sister. They'll be watching my channel, and I'm thankful for that. All the smiles that I get and all the love I get from when I'm out and about. You can't get that in America. It's hard to get anybody to sit here and talk to you, never mind give you a smile and just a hello. You know, even a simple hello could make anybody's day when they're lonely. So, that being said, this is Vau New, scraping the coconut so we can have some coconut milk for our loos and our meals. I'm going to get them a machine hopefully soon. I've seen them around Tonga. If any of you out there are watching this video and you know that you have the machines, please contact me if you got a great deal. I know they're kind of dear out here, 300 banga and up. But if you enjoy the videos and you think you could give it to me at half price or donate it to my family, I would appreciate that. But I am going to eventually, if I don't get it, I will eventually buy one for them so my nephew doesn't have to do it the hard way. Like, you know, it's cultural. They've been doing this for 1,000 years pluses. But if you got a machine, it makes it easier. And we decided not to eat the white pig that I showed earlier. We're going to eat the smaller one and keep that one. She's a female, so we're going to, my uncle said let her grow and use her for mating later. So that's what we're planning on doing with that smaller white pig. But in the meantime, the smaller one is going to still be good eating. I'm looking forward to the head. That's all I eat, the pig head. Tonga Vau New. Saying it in English, coconut scraping. nothing goes to waste out here. This could even turn into a beautiful kava cup if they wanted it to. Multiple uses of a coconut. Love it here. Everybody's fast at work doing something. He's doing that. He's fixing the box. And I'll show you, my aunt is inside making her beautiful Kiekies that I was talking about. And they too are beautiful. I love her Kiekies. So this is, I'll try not to show her face right now, but I want you to see how beautiful her handwork is. So let me video a minute or so of how fast and how talented she is with her Kiekies. And these are cultural wraps that go over your tupenu. And they're, you know, very dear. They're very cultural. And when you have this talent, you could actually make a living off of it. Let me get in here with her hands. And I'll show the head ni mayo. And she's fast. She can make this in 1 week, huh? Make it in 1 week and make $300+ and that there sustains the family for another week. Just one of these sold every week can help their family eat and everything else for the week. Just have to have some skills, and that's she got as a kid from Nomuka, right? Yeah, she learned that, and that's one of the things that's so nice about those that do have the talent. They go and teach other smaller islands to do this, so that way it can be a money-making situation. These cultural, this is for the, I believe, Tapas, yeah? So this aunt of mine, she's very talented. And you'll be, if you only knew what this start as and what it looks like afterwards, it's so beautiful. The natus. Beautiful day in the kingdom. And I'm so grateful to be here. Let me get back to the pig that I purchased for my cousins and myself. So when we come back and have our little hufifare in June, July for the homes that we're producing together here, this is our pig here. And we could name her. What do I want to name her? I'm going to name her something. I think I'll... what can I name her? Lucy. I'm going to name her Lucy. Lucy, how are you? And that's Antoinette and Anthony and myself and our wives and daughters. Everybody who will be visiting here in June, July. We're using this guy here. He's our male. And we're getting her pregnant and the other one pregnant. They're both going to be pregnant within this week, and they will definitely in 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days from the time of actual pregnancy, they will deliver on exactly those 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days. So they're a couple right now, and then we'll take him, and we're going to take him over to this pen and keep on working. We keep bouncing them back and forth to impregnate both of them, so we can have plenty of roaster pigs when we come back in June, July. Thank God for that. Got that out the way. We got our 2 pigs, and then definitely, sorry to say, but that one is going down today. We decided to keep the white one. She's a female, so we'll keep her for breeding purposes. And this one is a boy, and I'll be eating him today for my uncle's birthday. 61 years old, the old man right here. He's been in America since he was 17 years old. And now he's finally retired here and ready to live the simple, relaxed, humble life that we have here in Tonga. Amen, guys. Amen. The rat race is so real in America. You're existing, but you're not living. At least out here, you're living. Have our haka going. They've made this. This was really nice. I was happy that I got to see the transition. I used to use this old shower and toilet in the 1990s, and now it's updated, and we'll figure out something else to do with that house later. But as of now, at least we got a good, beautiful toilet set up in here. Nice tile painting, and then we have our shower area, which is cool because showering in that, these boys have actually been showering in this occasionally all the way up until recent last month. Recently as last month. Until they built this. So that's a blessing in itself too, to have that facility made. Thankful for the Kingdom of Tonga. They had a program, and I just seen them yesterday come and inspect it to make sure everything was up to par. That's actually, believe it or not, this is a septic tank under here. I believe in the old brick ones. I'm not going to do this because these you have to have pumped out and cleaned every so often, and I won't go that route with my expandable homes. I'm going to go with this one. This one is over 40, almost 30 something years old, and it's not even full. It's still, you know, I haven't seen them pump it yet in all the times I've been here. So I'd rather go with the old brick septic instead of the new ones that they're putting out. This is the old tanks. Can you imagine? 35 years ago, this was the norm. This was the common water tank, which would run from the rainwater and the gutters up above. But what? I almost kicked the cat. And this is the new era of water collection tanks, which is a lot more feasible and maneuverable. And it's not stationary, because if they actually wanted to move it from this side of the yard to the other side or somewhere else, they just empty it out and move it. But those concrete ones, you can't do much of anything with. Once they're there, they're there. Ain't going nowhere but I was thinking about breaking it halfway down and making a little like jacuzzi pool or something out of it. You know, it's not too hard to do that. If we chiseled it halfway down, you could at least fill it with water when it rains and cool off in the summertime, like it is now, hot and humid. Or my uncle was saying, which is doable but crazy to think of. He was thinking about making it, cutting a hole in this side as a door and making it a room for one of the boys, and just throw some electric line in there. I can't wait to get out on the water with this. That is so heavy though. My goodness, it's tons. Thank you very much. Thank you for viewing. Have a blessed day. Continue watching, and I appreciate you. And again, it's the viewers that are making me successful. Thank you again.